Special string operators. Strings can be manipulated using operators like concatenation, plus, repetition, and membership operator like in and not in. These are the operators used in the string. Concatenation. The plus operator joins or concatenate string written on both sides of the operator and creates a new string. So dear student, plus operator in Python is used to concatenate two strings. Concatenation means joining two strings to form a new string. See in the example, we are combining two strings welcome and Python by using concatenation operator plus. In the second example, we are concatenating two strings language and Python by using concatenation operator plus. Replicating. The star operator creates a new string by replicating multiple copies of the same string. So dear student, star operator creates a new string by replicating multiple copies of the same string. See in this example, we are replicating string Python 3 times. So 3 times Python will be printed in the computer screen. In the second example, we are replicating 4 times string Jython. So Jython will be printing 4 times in the computer screen. Membership operator. In Python, in and not in are called membership operator. In operator returns true if a character or substring exists in the given string, false otherwise. Not in returns true if a character or substring does not exist in the given string, false otherwise. So dear student, in returns true if a character exists in the given string, and not in returns true if the character does not exist in the given string. String slicing. Slicing is used to retrieve a subset of values. A slice of a string is nothing but a substring. This extracted substring is termed as slice. The chunk of characters can be extracted from a string using slice operator with two indices in square bracket separated by colon. So string slicing means extracting a string from a string. The extracted substring is termed as slice. String slicing. This is a syntax of string slicing. String name start colon end. Python will return a slice of the string by returning characters falling between the starting position till end -1. Following are the examples of string slicing. Thank you. Have a nice day.